Welcome to Loudoun County's online zoning ordinance, your interactive gateway to exploring zoning regulations. Start on the home page where you'll find an overview of the zoning ordinance along with key navigation tools. Use the 4 main tabs to explore the zoning ordinance. 12 chapters and 4 appendices are grouped for easy navigation. Zoning districts and land uses. Development standards. Natural resources and attainable housing. Administration and procedures. The Zoning Toolkit provides quick access to the e-reader, interactive zoning map, land use lookup, development calculators, and landmark. Use Smart Search for quick links to GIS zoning data. You'll find direct access to the interactive zoning map. Use the District Summary tool to create a summary for one or more zoning districts. Click What's My Zoning to find out how your property is zoned. Jump straight to any chapter using the chapter index. Clicking a chapter tile opens the zoning ordinance view page. You'll find the table of contents on the left. The selected content appears on the right. At the end of the table of contents is an amendment history table. It summarizes zoning ordinance amendments adopted by the Board of Supervisors with links to the amended sections. Within the text of the zoning ordinance, hyperlinks take you to other sections of the ordinance or to external documents such as the Code of Virginia. Hover over definitions to see defined terms from Chapter 12 of the zoning ordinance. Need something specific? Use search to find terms or phrases. Enter a term and use the drop-down menu to narrow down search results to a particular chapter or section of the zoning ordinance. You can use and, or not to combine keywords or use quotation marks to search for exact phrases. Once search results are returned, click on a header for the full text of that search result. Want to know where a specific use is allowed in the county? With the Land Use Lookup tool, you can find a use using the drop-downs under Select a Category. Or if you have a specific use in mind, enter the use under Type to search. Results at the bottom of the page will show you which zoning districts throughout the county allow the use as permitted by right or upon board approval of a special exception. To see where the uses are allowed on the zoning map, select View on Map. Need to know how many parking spaces are required for your project? Or wondering what the application fee is for a rezoning? 7 calculators are available to help answer questions like these. Calculators handle zoning calculations for development yield, fees, open space, parking, signage, and more. As you explore the calculators, instructions at the top of each page will walk you through how to use them. Interactive maps provide zoning views, address-based searches, and access to Loudoun's GIS resources, including What is My Zoning, WebLogis, and Loudoun GeoHub. Would you like to see the uses allowed in a particular zoning district? Using the interactive zoning map along with the District Summary tool, you can select a zoning district to create and download a list of uses allowed in that district. The Resources tab offers useful links such as the Code of Virginia, the Codified Ordinances, the Comprehensive Plan, the Department of Planning and Zoning, and Landmark. The Resources tab also has links to previous zoning ordinances and other historical planning and zoning documents. With Regulations by District, you can view and save all zoning regulations for a specific district at the click of a button. Go to Regulations by District on the main menu at the top of the page. choose a zoning district, and the regulations that apply to that district will be compiled for you to view, print, or email. This feature is not available for legacy zoning districts. Thank you for using the Loudoun County Online Zoning Ordinance. We're excited to bring these powerful tools to our community.